The next method we're going to look at is running sprints. Running sprints can be a helpful method to use when you're working with a new team. For this method, you'll keep track of the team's velocity for a few sprints. Next, you'll average the velocities. Then you can use high and low multipliers based on how many sprints your team has completed to find a range of possible velocities based on your average so far. The more sprints your team has finished, the more accurate your estimate is going to be. The benefit of this type of velocity estimation is that it grows in accuracy as your team gets used to working together. It's not a static number, so it will always be based on the most recent data from your team. The more accurate your velocity estimates are, the more helpful they'll be to your team. Remember, estimating velocity facilitates the delivery of value.